feel like you're on this hamster wheel of life, and it's like, oh man, it's just like another thing, another weekend, another event, another holiday. And it's like so fast that it doesn't feel like you have any space. Like, this is how I felt. I felt like I just needed to slow down, and I couldn't figure out where to do it. That was my experience. Maybe you're experiencing that, where life doesn't feel like it's slowing down. And, this became like a godsend for me, because it got me to actually find the time to slow down and begin to think. Because when life's just rolling by and you're just going with emotions, you're not really thinking all that much. You're not thinking that much. You're not being as productive as you could be. You may not even be connecting with your higher power, so your faith life suffers. You may not be connecting with your family very well, so your family life suffers. Your friends are like, hey, what's up? Let's go do some stuff. And it's like, you find yourself, you're so busy with life, you're not even finding time to actually go enjoy your friends. It can be this crazy, like almost numb existence if you just kind of go with the flow of things. Now, this is not where a capable king is going to operate at. A capable king is going to be like, hey, I'm going to create the environment that I want. And on day 5, we're going to show you how to paint that picture in a way that's going to blow your mind.